Good morning, students. As you studied earlier, that green plants synthesize their food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, and minerals. But you know how are the non green plants synthesize their food? These non green plants do not have chlorophyll, so they are not able to capture sunlight to synthesize food. Hence, they cannot synthesize their food by themselves. Such plants are known as non green plants. So, these non green plants depend on other organisms for their food. Such mode of nutrition is known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So, such non green plants use the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some of them are called parasite. You know what is parasite? Parasite are those organisms which lives on or inside the body of another organism and take shelter and food from that organism. Plants that do not have chlorophyll are called non-green plants. Plants which live on other plants for their food are called parasitic plants. Some frequently asked questions about the related topics. What do you understand by parasitic plants? As you know, a plant which lives on another plants or on the body of other organism and take nutrients from that organism is called a parasitic plant. Give some example of parasitic plants. Cascat and mistletoe are the some example of parasitic plants. Question number third. Why some plants are called parasites? Some plants are unable to prepare their own food and need to take food from others plants, hence they are called parasites. What is the mode of nutrition in non-green plant? Do you know heterotrophic mode of nutrition is the mode of nutrition in non-green plants? What do you understand by non-green plants? As you know, non-green plants are those which do not have chlorophyll, or a plant which lacks chlorophyll is called non-green plant. What do you understand by host? Host means an organism which provides shelter and nutrition to another organism is called a host. What is partial parasite? A parasite which depend for some of the nutrients on another organism is called a partial parasite. Give example of partial parasitic plant. Mistletoe is the example of partial parasitic plant. Thank you.